For the first time, a pro baseball player has beat a suspension for drugs. Star outfielder Ryan Braun faced a 50-game ban for a positive drug test. But we learned today that was overturned. Aaron Saltzman looks at baseball's latest controversy.
Supported by his teammates in the stands and in front of clicking cameras, Ryan Braun took to the field proclaiming he's been vindicated.
Today's about everybody who's ever been wrongly accused and everybody who's ever had to stand up for what is actually right.
In fact, it's about a lot more than that. And it has left a cloud of suspicion lingering over one of baseball's best players and the sport itself.
3-2, Braun.
Braun tested positive for elevated levels of testosterone during baseball's playoffs last fall. Braun appealed, claiming there was a breach in the collection protocol. Players' urine samples are supposed to be sent immediately by courier to this lab in Montreal for testing. The person who collected Braun's sample waited nearly 2 days.
What could have possibly happened to it during that 44-hour period?
Braun described the process as fatally flawed. Others, including the former head of the World Anti-Doping Agency, say Braun took advantage of a minor procedural error.
There was no tampering with the sample. The fact that it was in a fridge over a weekend when they couldn't get it to a laboratory or to FedEx does not affect the integrity of the sample.
But an arbitrator sided with Braun, tossing out the test results and overturning a 50-game suspension.
A whole bunch of high-priced lawyers and PR people have managed to enable this guy to dodge a bullet.
Major League Baseball, not long removed from the so-called steroid era, issued its own strongly worded statement, saying the league vehemently disagrees with the decision. Player reaction was mixed.
If he was, innocent and didn't do it, then I'm glad they got it right. But as far as, knowing whether he was on steroids or not, nobody knows.
It's great news for him and obviously for the Brewers. He gets to, stay in the season the whole year.
I truly believe in my heart, and I would bet my life that this substance never entered my body at any point.
Ryan Braun's initial test results were supposed to remain confidential, pending the outcome of his appeal. But the story was leaked. Braun says his reputation will never be the same. Others say that's as it should be. Aaron Saltzman, CBC News, Toronto.